All right. One what? One what? This is a 1975 AMC Gremlin. Belongs to my buddy Beater Bill. Just got it running. The ignition switch was out and a couple of electrical issues. And we're going to take it around the block. It's a snowy day here in Portland. It's a snow day for most people. All the kids are off school. Me and Stella got to work. So that's what we're doing. And we're working on this beautiful 1975 AMC Gremlin. It is a 232 straight 6 with a 3-speed automatic. I believe it's a 727 or whatever the lower number is. Got white walls in the back, kind of big tires. Let's go take it for a quick little jaunt around the block. I don't know if you guys have ever ridden in a Gremlin before. So we've got the beige interior with some looks like Ford seats upgrade. We've got an issue with our alternator light. I'm not sure what's up with that, but the gauges start working when the light comes on, which is kind of funny. So we're going to put the power torque command into drive and release the brake. We got our weather eye there. Turn the fan on, maybe. Yeah, get a little heat in here. Let's see. Is it high, colder, hot? I'm not sure how it all works. Let's take it for a little drive. Make sure there's no cars coming. Okay, the torque command on our icy road. Ooh, kick the back out a little bit. Manual brakes, power steering. We have our golf guy on the hood there. You see him up there? That's pretty cool. All right, let's go on the block here. So we're gonna do a little donut. Hard to get traction. Snow is melting off the trees. Go by the. Ooh, she's got some zip. There's Stella there looking at us. We'll do a little turnaround up here if we can. Nice day to go for a drive in a 75 Gremlin. Oh, the glory. Behold the power. Speedometer doesn't work either. Alright, we have to do a little turn around here. It's got a pretty good turning radius. Put it in reverse. Back up. I'm gonna give her the beans a little bit on the way back to the shop. See what she does. Spunky. Spunky little Gremlin. Everybody's taking the day off today because of the snow. Okay. Whoop. Gave her the beans. There we go. Not much happens. Okay. It's got disc brakes on the front. They grab pretty good in the snow. It's a nice little car. Back in reverse. Oop, can't get traction because of the snow. Good thing we got our snow tires on. Back it up here to the shop. Put her in park. Turn her off. Yeah, pretty cool. It's got a horn. It says AMC on it. Got Gremlin. Is that what that says? Pretty cool. It's got the fancy paint job, of course, with a little flaming devil skull and our MPH specialty sticker. Not a bad day to drive a Gremlin, I tell you. Super fun.